Lesson 5, leçon 5. Bonjour les amis. Ensemble. Bonjour les amis, bonjour. Bonjour les amis, bonjour. Bonjour les amis, bonjour les amis, bonjour les amis, bonjour. Bonjour les amis. Les amis, oui, les amis. Maintenant, Paul. Bonjour, Paul, bonjour. Bonjour, Paul, bonjour. Bonjour, Paul, bonjour. Paul, bonjour, Paul, bonjour. Bonjour, Paul. Ethan. Bonjour, Ethan, bonjour. Bonjour, Ethan, bonjour. Bonjour, Ethan, bonjour, Ethan, bonjour, Ethan, bonjour. Bonjour, Ethan. Ah, bonjour Kiki, ça va aujourd'hui? Oh oui, ça va très très bien. Et vous madame? Oh, aujourd'hui ça va comme ça. Maintenant, you greet Kiki. Bonjour Kiki. Ask him how he is. Ça va Kiki? Okay, let's try it again. You greet him and then you ask him how he is. First, greet. Bonjour les enfants. Oh oui, ça va très très bien. Merci. Bon, nous allons faire un peu de numéros encore aujourd'hui. Maintenant, moi, je vais indiquer un numéro et vous allez dire le numéro. Okay, see how well you remember. I'm going to point and you say. And then after a little while, I'll say the number and you see if you got it right. Okay, let's start. 4. 6. 2. 7. 1. 8. 10. 6. 3. 9. Très bien. Maintenant, je vais vous demander combien de stylos as-tu? Et je vais dire, par exemple, j'ai 4 stylos. Et vous allez frapper les mains 4 fois. Lorsque vous entendez 4, j'ai 4 stylos. Okay, we did this yesterday, remember? You clap the number that you hear in the answer. I'm going to do the question and the answer, but you listen for the number and the answer. Okay. Combien de stylos as-tu? J'ai 3 stylos. Combien de stylos as-tu? J'ai 9 stylos. Combien de stylos as-tu? J'ai 4 stylos. Bien. Combien de cahiers as-tu? J'ai 7 cahiers. Combien de cahiers as-tu? J'ai 5 cahiers. Très bien. Combien de crayons as-tu? J'ai un crayon. Combien de crayons as-tu? Moi, j'ai 8 crayons. Très bien. How did you do? Did you do super? Or comme ci, comme ça? I hope you did super. You're just listening for the number. Oh, remember yesterday, we did un peu de mathématiques. Par exemple, 2 et 3 font 5. Remember this? 2 et 3 font 5. Now you say it. Super. Je vais faire ici maintenant. OK. Vous. Trois et un font 4. Now you say it. 3 et 1 font 4. Dix et 0 font 10. Un et 5. Oh. C'est Grandad, papy. 1 et 5 font 6. Un et 2 font 3. 1 et 2 font 3. Un et 9 font 10. 2 et 0 font 2. Très bien, c'est super. Maintenant, nous allons regarder les fiches, les feuilles de papier que j'ai préparées, les fiches de répétition, our little practice sheets. And so you see up here, un cahier, and you can see how it's spelled, cahier, un crayon. Notice they don't pronounce the N really, un crayon. Des amis ou deux amis. Deux amis. Un stylo. And here's a little pronunciation guide for you. The only thing is I don't think that deux has that R sound at the end very much. Deux. Okay, so you can look at that if you want to, and that will help you. This is the actual French number right here, and this is kind of a little guide in how to say it, but you know how to say these numbers already. But these are the actual French ones in the second column, the middle column. Okay, now, it's the same thing for our higher numbers, which we're going to get to next week. And then page 3, they have the numbers kind of like they're written in French. You know, French has its own writing. They call it French script. The children in France don't really even learn to print very much. They just learn the French script, which is kind of curly-cute, and their numbers reflect that too. We're going to save this page, and we're going to go to the last page, and we're going to talk a little bit about pronunciation of the numbers. So here we have un or une. J'ai un cahier. So the number is un cahier. But something happens when you have a vowel that starts the word like an A, E, I, O, or U. They kind of connect the number to the actual word. They kind of slur it together. So, un ami, un ami. Un cahier, un ami. J'ai une amie. That would be if you had a friend who was a girl. Un ami, un cahier, un ami, une amie. And I kind of put the little slurred kind of spelling over here, nami. So you wouldn't just say nami, you would say, what is this, feminine? Une amie, une amie. It's just the slurred together part, so you see how it's pronounced. So we have deux cahiers, but deux amis. Do you see the little Z over here? The little Z? That tells you that deux amis kind of blends together. Deux oranges, deux oignons, you would say. Trois cahiers, trois amis. And you have des amis. Now you say it now. Quatre. J'ai quatre cahiers. J'ai quatre amis. See over here how we have the T-R-A-M-I? Quatre amis. J'ai quatre amis. Cinq. J'ai cinq carottes. Oh, là là, les carottes. J'ai 5 carottes. Et j'ai 5 oignons. 5 oignons. Avec a little K sound. Okay. The number here is 6. But here we say 6 carottes. 6 carottes. 6 oignons. This one is like an S. This one is just like C. It's the same thing with D. And this one's like a Z. 6 oignons. Okay, you try it after me. 6. J'ai 6 carottes. J'ai 6 oignons. Good. 7. Oh, we don't even say that P. Just like in our number 8, we have all those letters we don't pronounce. 7. J'ai 7 crayons. J'ai 7 amis. 8. J'ai 8 crayons. J'ai 8 amis. J'ai 8 amis. 9. Here's the F sound. 9. J'ai 9 crayons. But now it changes to a V sound. J'ai 9 amis. And remember with C's, it's the same with D's. 10. J'ai 10 cahiers. J'ai 10 amis. 10 amis. Don't worry about memorizing these rules or anything. I just wanted you to understand why there was a little bit different pronunciation, and you'll get used to it as we practice our numbers. You'll get used to saying the little, it's called liaison, linking them together. So that's why we say, j'ai un cahier, or deux cahiers, but j'ai deux amis. J'ai deux oignons. So let's try our number song. Let's try it first with what? Un stylo. Okay? 1, 2, 3 stylos, 4, 5, 6 stylos, 7, 8, 9 stylos, 10 stylos. Amis, our friends, amis. 1, 2, 3 amis, 4, 5, 6 amis, 7, 8, 9 amis, 10 amis. Super. Okay, maintenant, at the bottom of this page, there's a French number chart, which I'm sorry is not very clear. I'll try to make a bigger one for you for later on that you can look at. Eventually, we'll learn all of those numbers. Ooh la la. Now we're going to go back to this page that has numbers on it, and you see we have our addition here, which you are going to try. So, remember what we said. We say 2 et 3 font 5. Et font. Et font. 2 et 3 font 5. You repeat it now. Now, on our practice sheet, this first one here, you say it. You have this at home, so you should be able to see it. You say this addition problem. 1 et 5 font 6. Okay, the one next to it. 3 et 4 font 7. Now you again, this third one. 5 et 5 font 10. Huit et 1 font 9. Cinq et 3 font 8. Deux et 6 font 8. Now the bottom row, or not the bottom, but the middle row. Okay, you try it. Trois et 4 font 7, pas 5. Pas 5. Oh non, c'est une erreur. Oh. 3 et 4 font 7, pas 5, pas 5, pas 5. Okay. Six et 2 font 8. Un et 4 font 5. Sept et 2 font 9. Now the next one, 3. 3 et 5 font 8. Un et 9 font 10. And now we'll stop there because we haven't learned these bigger numbers yet. I hope you did very, very well. Okay. Je crois que c'est tout pour aujourd'hui. Oh oui. Au revoir les amis. Au revoir les amis. Au revoir les amis. Au revoir. Au revoir les amis. Au revoir. Au revoir les amis. Au revoir les amis. Au revoir les amis. Au revoir. Au revoir les amis. À bientôt.